I don't think you can back up much more.
Asylum seekers on a tour of Australia, in that little area, right? Like,
We did, and that was the concern because Cubby wanted to go to a pub, and I'm like, no, let's just enjoy what we can.
Nice yield, jet set parking.
That's really cool. So, in honor of your 4-hour Ireland experience, would you go back and...
What's that truck doing? I don't know. There's that truck just backing up to back there. Is he actually not? He's not gonna fix his parking? He's just gonna stay like that? I don't think you can back up much more. Jesus. Yeah, you are not allowed to be parked there.
On vacation, right? And you have certain things in mind you want to do. Like if you were going to New York, chances are you would want to check out Times Square. Like imagine you had put it off till your very last day. And
then Zoe just messaged in right now. She goes, I forgot my wallet today. I'm in desperate need of gas.
How did you get in that position?
Cardless.
oh no!
If there's anybody
Were you making a
in the
U-turn?
Now family driving, I'm not sure if she's north side or driving south on Argyle or east-west right on Argyle.
She's out of luck and out of money.
Yeah, if you see...
No, he will not.
That's foot on the ground there, someone's gonna shoot him.
But likewise, Quentin is not going to stand a chance in Texas or Oklahoma or what the fuck, guy? You are definitely speeding.
Clinton?
Hillary Clinton, yeah.
Yeah, what's the bitch? Too many people left the US and Canada from this.
What the fuck?
That was...
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, please hit the button. Jesus Christ.
Not even. Like, celebrating it 2 miles or being like, I'm pushing it. I was at West End today and I forgot about it.
You were at West End today?
Yeah,
Nice stop, PDX.
I had to pick up a few things.
Maybe it's 6:45.
Nice blinker.
Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time.
Charge him.
I can charge argument, I might find really cool things. You know how some people's garbage is other people's treasures, right?
That's right. That's right. And then you can
groceries
sell
takes
that
time,
stuff.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, and buy more box
Reusable
wine.
bags,
And then you
even
can up your
eco-friendly.
rations from 2 boxes.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we're going the right way. I was gonna say a kitty cat, but then it was too obvious.
Excuse me, that you need to signal there.
Well, I guess you started that for a good reason now.
Yeah. What the fuck? I mean.
Just kidding. I just had to wait till you got confused.
Personally, I would have waited if I were you.
I should have put that on. You must be drunk. Don't. Go over more. They're drunk. Look at how close they're going to that sign.
Jesus Christ. And he's got a cancer stick.
You use that now.
What is that person doing just sitting there?
Gotta stop. Fine.
He's been there for like how long though? It's a 4-way stop. Yeah, what's going on there?
You can't park here. There's not in the vehicles.
In my first million, I'm like, this is it. Ay, 34 walked through, man, we had lit. Ay, had so many bottles.
Just completely blocking the entrance to that fire department there. That person needed signal behind me?
I don't know.
Nice signal, Saskatchewan.
Fuck up. Okay, Sobeys, there's self-checkout there. Maybe. Do you want to go back in here? I'll give you my card. Okay.
I think an inch is about 2.54 centimeters. I think.
Let's see what the chart says.
Oh, nice illegal U-turn there. That was too close. What was that? That's actually what helps me though.
So my son, who's 23, thought it was cool.
Because most people, it just confuses the hell out of them, but I find it helpful.
Right in front of our 1976 Polar.
Should I keep it as an interesting thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He dropped balls.
Oh, yeah.
2 balls he dropped.
And then we have a little...
$100 and get 100 air miles, bonus miles, or a $10 gift card.
Should I put some more on the grill? Yes.
Safeway and Sobeys.
Get
Get more summer.
A little bit, but oh well. Oh wait, I don't know if I should do it.
Anyway, let's go.
I forgot to get some for lunches. Leftover road trip snacks will do, right? No? Okay, maybe not. A Shoppers Drug Mart exclusive. Shop today and get 20 times the PC Optima points when you spend $50 or more on almost any